Sabi nila 'pag tumatanda ka daw palungkot ng palungkot yung buhay, and one thing I realize about navigating my journey is that you have to be okay with changing dreams. Isa yun sa mga natutunan ko, that I have to reconcile with my old self, my younger self, and hug him and say na okay lang na magbago yung pangarap mo, magbago yung mga gusto mo, na hindi lahat ng mga nakasanayan mananatili. And that's very important, na kailangan alam mo sa sarili mong patawarin yung mga pinangarap mo noon nung bata ka na ngayon hindi mo na pinapangarap. We tend to hold on so much sa mga pinangarap natin before because ayaw nating ma-frustrate yung mga tao sa paligid natin. Much more na merong guilt na patunayan sa sarili na, diba ito yung gusto mo? But that's not really the case all the time. And you have to forgive that version of yourself na eto ka na ngayon. Eto na yung mga gusto mo, eto na yung mga nilulook forward mo, ganito na yung mga pangarap na chase mo, hindi na ito. Bago ko give up yung pagiging civil engineer ko para i-pursue tong content creation, ang dami kong kinonsider. Bago ko binild yung tapang na yun to pursue this, to risk this, kailangan ko munang patawarin. Kailangan kong i-reconcile yung younger self ko and tell him na we are about to chase another chapter. This chapter is now closed and we have to welcome this new chapter. Kasi dito tayo mag-grow and we are to navigate life together. Na hindi kita kakalimutan kung sino ka before, but this is me now. This is another chapter of me na kailangan kong i-risk, kailangan kong subukan kasi hindi ko malalaman kung hindi ko susubukan. Natural yun na nagbabago-bago yung decision natin sa buhay, nagbabago-bago yung gusto nating tahakin, and yun nga, we have to be okay with it and embrace the uncertainty that comes with it. Embrace what's coming.